This video explains how to switch between the modes on your GA-100 watch. In timekeeping mode, you can toggle lower left display between home city date and time by pressing the forward button. Now, press the mode button to switch from timekeeping to stopwatch mode. Press the mode button again to switch to timer mode. Now, switch to the world time mode by pressing the mode button. Similarly, alarm mode can be selected by pressing the mode button. Use the mode button to return to timekeeping and to switch between the modes.